Don't call her.
Don't call her. Bad bird.
Bad bird. Oh yeah. What you get?
Hi. Come here. What you doing?
I'm just watching you. Yeah.
Birds don't walk.
What do they do?
Snowman. I love you.
I love you, Giz. Don't show your red butt. Ooh. Saucy. Oh, where you going?
Come on.
Where?
Right. Wait, can I? Come on. Come.
You're a good boy.
Bad bird.
Bad bird.
Bad bird.
What you gonna do when they texting you? Is stop flirting.
Talking about.
You're funny. What you doing?
Oh,
I beat you.
I can back you. Goodbye. See you later.
What you doing?
What you do? I can't small.
Hi, Giz.
Be Siri. Set timer for.
How long? 1, 2, 3. Didn't even get that.
The same combination on. Let the birds out. Chirp, 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 chirp. Some got it. Give us what we need. Oh.
Aw.
That's all I. Chirp.
Chirp. Chirping out.
I need help, okay. Oh.
You tired?
You want a Mustachio?
Do you want a Mustachio? I'll get you a Mustachio.
Ooh.
Here we go.
You want a Mustachio?
You just had one.
I can make the you that over now. What's up?
What do you want?
You want that?
What?
Oh.
Oops.
What you doing? I can tell water open. You can't walk. Want a Mustachio?
In a minute. You have 2.
Ooh.
What?
It's going out.
I'm tired.
Try to make it to open.
You?
Watch for toes. I'm Gizmo.
I'm Emily.
I wish
Ooh. Ooh. What are you doing?
Jamming slip.
You are funny.
Alright.
I love you, great boy. I love you.
Oh, I wish it was. Go that just work forward. I cannot see I got so focused. Let's look out for a whole time. Oh, look at you. It's still right. Oh, that's not good side. Go burn us so. Sorry, guy. Oh. Sorry, you like for killer. Just okay. Oh, you just step off the one. My cherry electric lights and melt. Oh, don't be the retro.
That was good. Can you sing me a song? Please?
Alright.
What are you gonna sing?
Be Siri.
No. Sing a song. That's Love Pops. That's still popping. Okay.
Do.
That was it. Yay. That was good. Yes. That's my boy.
Be Siri. Oh, okay.
You're not setting timer?
Sorry, now what to?
Yes, can you... No, let me finish.
I knew it.
Let me finish. If there was an intruder, what would you do? That's it. Do the alarm. Yep, that's it. Louder. A louder alarm. What if someone tried to come and rob us? What would you do?
Just awful.
No, you don't blow them kisses. Someone's in the house. What do we do? Where's the alarm? That's it. You do the police. You scare them. Yep, police.
Sorry, Bill. Oh my god. It's crazy. Oh, let the birds out. Chirp, chirp, chirp.
You still got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Oh, where are Oh. Oh, what's crowd? Oh, let the birds out. Chirp, 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 chirp.
You gonna chirp out for real?
Totally.
Totally.
Totally, I can't stop.
Bye, bye, bye. Oh.
Is it good?
Why? Sorry, they're here to pause.
See you.
What's
What's the matter? Hey? What's the matter? I love you.
Try it.
I love you.
Giz, I love you.
Try this out.